we've just acquired this Mercedes SLK AMG Sport line. It's loaded with extras. It's in absolutely stunning condition. It's the facelift model. It's finished in iridium silver with slight anthracite alloy wheels, which are AMG style, all unmarked. The paintwork is in superb condition throughout. It's got the front and the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, it's got the full leather seats with the red stitch piping and red seat belts. It's got the air scarf, it's done 45,723 miles. It's got factory fitted satellite navigation. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, fully electrically operated roof. So there you've got the air scarf, electric heated seats, climate control air conditioning, really is in stunning condition. Now you can see it with the roof up. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance and warranty packages and part exchange. Please give us a call on 07503 751 005 if you require any further information. Thank you.